Now we are going to tour room 512, which is a lagoon access villa. Douglas, take us inside.
Please welcome to your room.
Ooh, wonderful. This luxurious villa has a restroom as soon as you step inside. You've got a toilet, a separate walk-in shower with rainfall shower head, detachable spray, and the Elemis products. You also have a dual vanity with additional storage below the sink and a beautiful tub with an optional opening in case you want to let in some of that natural light. Now, this room actually looks like it could be a connecting room. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. So this room has the option to have connectings.
In case maybe you have like a big family and you want all of you to stay together, you just come to this one, whereby you also have the twin bed over here and the king size on the other room.
Wonderful. So each villas will have either 2 beds or a king, and the connections will have either one on each side. Perfect.
And over here, we also have water, plus coffee, especially the coffee. This one is totally complimentary.
Perfect.
And this is the mini bar. The mini bar is the one that is chargeable in the room.
Okay, so you have to pay if you want to take any of those items, but the coffee and water are complimentary.
And over here, we've got the closet and also the iron together with the iron board and the laundry service over here. We have the normal and the express, and also we've got all types of the hangers and for the safe box as well. And if you want to close it, you just put 4 digits number of your choice, then enter, close.
Perfect.
And everything will be safe.
And I see some additional shelving and also additional storage up top.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So it doesn't look like you're going to run out of space to store your things.
And the best thing as well, are you ready?
Yes. Awesome. So like I mentioned earlier, you can open up the tub to let that natural light in. Love it. Now, as we said, this room has 2 beds, but it can have a king. In addition to that, you do have a nice sitting area there, a flat screen television, a nice spot here to put your suitcase.
And the snacks together with the hair dryer over there.
Awesome. And the wine and snacks you would have to pay for. There's also a desk in case you need to do some work, another table here, which I like. This is a great place to eat. It already comes with the tabletop. And then this is the best part of the room, right?
Now let me introduce you to the best part of the room. I really like to introduce this to our guests. And here we go. This is direct access. So when you're in this one, you just come, and then this is the favorite part. You just open this one and then light away.
Awesome. Wonderful. So if you're staying in this direct access villa, as he said, you'll have the stairs here that lead out to the pool's lagoon. And it's my understanding that this lagoon allows 24-hour swimming. Is that correct?
Absolutely. 24 hours, no problem. Anytime you can swim. Even if it's in the middle of the night, it's fine.
Wonderful. And as you can see, there's some other direct access villas right across the way, but right above them are the Lagoon View Villa. So if you have a lagoon view, your room will be exactly the same as this one, but without the direct access to the hotel's lagoon.
You can also smoke outside from here. We also have a smoking area.
Oh, okay. That's something that you don't see in the US. Most balconies are non-smoking, but here in Dubai, you can smoke on the balcony. Good to note. All right, everybody. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this tour. If you have questions about this room or if you'd like to book it, be sure to give Mayfield Elite Travel a call. And remember, I only travel elite. Bye-bye.